Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Stream the World. After seeing the thumbnail and the title, it is very clear that today we will be solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I had been receiving many comments that show us how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and today I am here with this video where I will be showing you how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And it is a very simple trick, and I will be just using 3 algorithms. Yes, you are correct, only 3 algorithms to solve this complete Rubik's Cube. So, before beginning to solve the cube, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of the channel, and do hit the like button if you are able to solve the cube at the end of this video. So let's begin. It is very important for you to watch how I solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The link for the video will be in the I button and in the description box as well.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So let's begin. So let's scramble the cube first. Now, as you can check, the cube is completely scrambled. Now, our task is to solve this first layer at the beginning. Then we will be solving this part and then this second layer. So to begin with the first layer, you can choose any color that you want to solve first. So in this, we will be using the white color. Here our task is to find 4 white pieces and put it here, and such that these 2 pieces are the same color. So as you can check, this is a white and a green and an orange piece. So we will be looking for a white and a green piece as well. So this you can check, this is a white, green and red. So we bring it to the bottom right hand corner, and then we use the first algorithm, that is R dash D dash R D. You can check these 2 are of the same color as well as this. So now again looking for a white and a red piece, we have this. So we bring it to the bottom right hand corner, and again the same algorithm, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D, R dash D dash R D. Now for the final piece, we have this R dash D dash R D, 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 R dash D dash R and D. You can check you have solved the first layer very easily. Now when you solve this part, you get several cases, and I will be explaining the cases one by one. But the fact is that only one algorithm will be used no matter whichever case you have. In the first case, you will have one yellow piece at the top and one yellow piece diagonally to this. So when you have this case, you use one simple algorithm, that is R U R dash U R double U R dash and U. You can check you have solved the bottom layer and the top layer. In another case, you might see that you have this bottom piece of yellow, but you don't have one piece diagonal, you have on this side. So in that case, you need not worry, just hold the cube in this way such that yellow piece is at the bottom left hand corner, and use the algorithm R U R dash U R double U R dash U. Now you get this again, R U R dash U R double U. In one of the cases, you might see these 2 pieces of yellow and none of the yellow pieces on the top. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to keep this side on your left, not on your right, not on your front, not on your back, on your left, and then you use the same algorithm again, that is R U R dash U R double U R dash and U. Now again you can check this, we get the first case. So again the same algorithm, R U R dash U R W R dash and U. In one of the cases, you might have such condition where you have these 2 yellow pieces here and these 2 yellow pieces here. So in that case, you need to hold it in such a way that this piece face on the left and this is on the right. And again the same algorithm, R U R dash U R double U R dash and U. Now you can check you get this case again R U R dash U R double U R dash U. Now the first case R U R dash U R double U R dash U. So when you solve this layer of the cube, you will have two cases. In one case, these two pieces will be of the same color, or any two pieces will be of the same color. And in one case, you will have neither of the piece. In this case, we have neither of these pieces of the same color. So you can take any side and you can use this algorithm, that is R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R and R. Now you can check the white piece is at the same and the yellow piece, and you get a complete red solved. So now when you get such conditions, you need to keep it away from the side. So we keep it away and we use the same algorithm again, that is R dash F R dash B B R
dash
F dash B B R and R. Now with one simple move, it's completed and you have solved your first ever 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So I hope you would catch me throughout the entire video and you would be able to easily solve this cube. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment sections. So we will meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching this entire video.